Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, we'll be discussing about the cyclones. And please remember, one of the questions regarding cyclones will be asked in examinations. So, you may be asked the questions very simple, but you should know where exactly the cyclone has been formulated and where it has produced, and you should tell what exactly the location of the respective places. So, if I say the cyclone as well as tornado, so these are the two things you have to remember. There is much difference between the tornado as well as hurricanes as well as cyclones. So you can see here how exactly the differences are. So normally hurricanes form over warm water on the tropical oceans and develop best when far from the jet stream. In the case of tornadoes from over land and form within storms that are often very close to the jet streams. So normally these kind of things you will find tornadoes you will find on the land, and hurricanes as well as cyclones in the sea. So that is what exactly you have to remember the difference. So here the disaster will be, it varies from place to place, and the size of this eye, so we call it the center, we call it as eye. So here as you can see to the right side how exactly Titli, so the track of Titli, so from where when it had started, and it had moved from one place to other place. So Titli, it's a very severe cyclonic storm and it's a deadly and destructive tropical cyclone, so that caused damage in the eastern India as well as Bangladesh in the year 2018. So you may be asked the question like this: Titli is the mostly affected the nations are India as well as Bangladesh. When it comes to the ash cyclone, remember this has been occurred in the areas of West Bengal as well as Odisha coast. Here we have Shaheen as well as Dana. These cyclones which have maximum it has been occurred and affected in the place of Qatar. So we knew that there is a Gulab. So you remember they may be asked questions like this: Dana, Shaheen and Gulab. What are these? So then you have to say they are the cyclones which are occurred in Qatar. So these are the cyclonic names which are maximum affected in the area of Qatar. If I say here, as you can see to the right side, Jawad as well as Shaheen. As I had told, Jawad, which is very important cyclone of Saudi Arabia, and as well as along with Jawan we have Fengal. These are the two cyclones we'll find in Saudi Arabia. You can see the cyclone Shaheen, it is maximum which is affected in Qatar. When it comes to the cyclone Asani as well as Shakti, these are the different cyclones which are formed in the place of Sri Lanka. We knew Hudhud, we have Ash cyclone, and we have Nympha. So there are various cyclones you have to remember. India is affected, and among the, like we have West Bengal as well as we have Odisha. These are the places as well as Vizag. They may be affected. Even Hudhud is one of the disastrous cyclone which affected a lot. Now we have Sitrang and Monta. These type of cyclones we will find in Thailand region. You can see how exactly the nations which are affected, Sitrang as well as Monta, which are affected, that is Thailand. Now we have Mandas and Sanyar. So these are United Arab Emirates, the place where the Mandas as well as Sanyar be affected. Now we have Biparjay as well as Nisarga. So we knew that Nisarga and Biparjay, these are the two cyclones you will find maximum it gets affected, that is Bangladesh. So you may be asked Nisarga cyclone, with this cyclone which nation be affected, that is Bangladesh region. Here we have Maldives. It's in southern side of India, that is Indian Sea. In Indian Sea we see this type of small islands, Maldives. So there we will find the cyclone name is Burevi. Now we have Ash. So this is one thing, Rimal and Ash. These are the cyclones we find in Oman region. And please remember Here the cyclone Nisarga to the right side, how exactly it has been affected. In India, we have Tej as well as Gati. Along with this, we have Hudhud also, which has been affected. So you should remember what exactly the cyclones we have. As I had already discussed, so Gulab and Asna, it is the place near to the Pakistan. It will be affected. So one of the disastrous cyclone we can call it as. We have in the place Eman, that is Mocha cyclone. You can see to the right side. Now, one of the disastrous, that is Amphan. This is the most disastrous cyclone ever. So this cyclone Amphan. Now we have in Iran, that is Hamoon. This Amphan is the currently crossing the West Bengal coast near the Sundarbans area. It has been affected. Overall, please remember whatever the meteorological department is the department which gives information regarding atmosphere, and this is the most destructive cyclone in India, that is cyclone Amphan. So it directly hits the coastal areas and the major disasters will occur. So these are the few cyclones you have to remember. When it comes to Midhili, so this type of cyclones you will find in Maldives. The whole coastal areas will be affected very greatly. And if I say cyclone Taukte, and you have find this Taukte, this type of cyclone you will find in Gujarat region, and Maichuang, this type of cyclone in Myanmar area. So please remember, if they ask the name the cyclone which be originated in the Arabian Sea and that is greatly affected in the region of western coast, so that is Tauktae. So we knew Hudhud, we knew Titli, we knew everything, Nympha. So this is one thing you have to remember, that is Tauktae in Gujarat area. So these are the few cyclones I had compiled from various sources. Among this, you may be asked any questions. So whatever the cyclones I had told related to India, you can directly go through once again, and you better know the names of the cyclones as well as the location, because you may be asked regarding this. If you underestimate these questions, you will lose 1 mark. So simple questions, because at present the situation is we are facing with these greater disasters. So concerning to disaster management, so whoever is the head now at present, you have to remember those current questions. So if I ask, recently the government had set up disaster team concerning a greater organization for this relief, disaster relief. So go through this, you may have one question regarding this also. So if you have any kind of queries, you can call me. This is my mobile number. If you want the material, I can provide you with a good content. That is the best way of preparation. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.